Today I'm going to make creamy Tawa chicken wings. So let's get started. To begin the recipe, first we'll marinate the wings. For that, first I'm going to take ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, crushed cumin seeds, garam masala, salt, black pepper and oil. Now mix it all together. After letting the wings rest in the marination for a while, I'm going to start frying them. For that, switch on the gas. I'm going to take a wing, dust it in the corn flour. The oil is hot. I'm going to start frying the wings. We are done frying the wings. Let's start making our creamy masala. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas. First, I'm going to take oil. The oil is heated up. Now I'm going to add 1 bay leaf. With that, I'm going to add 2 green cardamom pods, cumin seeds. As the cumin starts crackling, I'm going to add chopped green chili. With it, chopped onion. Saute for a few minutes. After sauteing for a few minutes, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste and cook till the rawness of the ginger garlic goes away and onion are golden brown in color. As the color of the onion starts to change, I'm going to lower the heat and start adding the masala. First, I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, meat masala. Cook the masala till the rawness of the masala goes away. I'm going to add little water so the masala doesn't burn. The rawness of masala is gone. I'm going to add tomatoes now. With this also I'm going to add little garam masala, some salt and little black pepper. Cook till tomato gets soft. The tomato has gone soft. I'm going to add little water and cook for 2 more minutes. The masala is perfectly cooked. Now I'm going to finish it with some cream. With this also I'm going to add kasuri methi. And there you go guys, our creamy masala is now ready. Let's lower the heat and add the chicken wings. Let's serve it. And there you go guys, our creamy Tawa chicken wings is now ready. You also do try the recipe and do let me know what you want me to cook next. But for that you need to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.